Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about introduction to Xpath, how to write a basic Xpath syntax. Okay, and here basically what will happen if the elements are not found by the general locators like ID, class name and name, then Xpath is used to find an element of a web page. Means see now this is the input is the text box, right? Username text box. And in case if you don't have any name, ID and type or class name anything, then we are going to use for that XPath. Okay. And then XPath used for navigation through the HTML. This XML basically what will happen to structure of the HTML it will present it like this. Basic XML it will present like this, and HTML and body and h1 and paragraph and body and closing this one, right? While you converted to this HTML format, then we can able to see the documentation type as HTML both this way. Okay, this is XML to XML code base organization. If you want to find any web element here, up to here we can able to find how means HTML body and table, and inside the table there is a TB and then TR, and TR having two TDs, and that 2Ds we need to find one value. Like this way we need to take it, right? This way we can able to take an XPath, and this is my basic XPath. How we can able to create, I can able to show you how. This is the one it will present double slash and input and at the rate id equal to single quotation. This way we can able to find X path. Here double slash is it will find like everything. It is this page is basically HTML format, XML structure but HTML format of this one. Okay, if you go in the top you can able to see HTML and headers and bodies, and inside this tables or devs or labels, paragraphs, images, everything it will present inside here. Okay, and here we found our location here, and inside the form. This entire is a form. Inside that form, they are mentioned in dev. Inside the dev, they created input web element. Okay, in the web element they provided. In case if you don't know ID and name, class name, anything, how we can able to find it? We can able to use following sibling and preceding siblings and contents and text. Like that, so many things are presented inside our XPath creations. So many ways we can able to create our XPath to find an web element, particular web element. Those things we can able to learn on next video session. Okay, syntax is basically like this: double slash tag and at the rate attribute equal to value. Double slash is basically it will give the current node where exactly it is presented. If you see the example of here, I created one, right? It is indication of the particular this one. Double slash is basically indication of that particular node. And tag name is nothing but a particular node. A tag name of the particular node means this is the one input. Input is the basically a name of tag name. We can mention like tag name, this web element. Okay, double slash current node indication, input is tag name, and at the rate is selecting the attribute. Attribute is ID, name, class name, text, anything we can able to mention. Anything, any related to locators, that we can able to call it as a attributes. Value is, this is the value means id they mention as a txt username, right? That is the one value. Okay, I created already one sample program, and we can able to take will run one program for here what I'm doing, right? Web element I created and find out driver.find element by dot xpath, and I provided the xpath which is I created just now. Okay, user.send keys, I'm sending that value to admin. Okay, if I run this program, it will send the value to user text box. That user, it will provide the admin user. It's going to checking for web driver, Chrome driver it initiated. Then it is loading that URL which we passed a orange HRM application. Then it is passed to admin here. This way we can able to find our expert, basic expert. This one in inside expert there are so many ways we can able to create. Okay, that all the things we can able to discuss in the next previous videos. Okay, if you like this video, please like me, please share to your friends and colleagues, and thank you.